Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. I had to make a run down to, y'all see that, y'all see that building? Northern. I don't know if Northern in a lot of districts, a lot of areas, but here in the Atlanta, Georgia area, we got a lot of options to go places and get tools, be it professional tools or either not so professional tools. At any rate, we have options. Okay, now I'm in Northern. I have to go. I'm really trying to find an electric drill. I really want to replace it with the same thing I had, something I'm already used to it, like such as Milwaukee. So let's go over to the Milwaukee section, guys. Now I had a 1/4-inch air ratchet. All right, y'all remember the video I did? I had the 1/4-inch air ratchet. I'm gonna link it right here. The 1/4-inch air ratchet. I was using it for 3/8 and 1/4-inch functions because I purchased me a lowrider, a pretty good adapter that would change from a 1/4-inch head to a 3/8 head. Okay, so I am in the Milwaukee section. Where is? Hey, here we go, guys. Let me get in warmer. I need the little air ratchet. I love Milwaukee. I've grown to really like quality of their stuff. Now I'm not like endorsing it, I'm not suggesting you get it. It's just because I have batteries and I have set up charging station and facility and all that stuff already intact. I tend to see they don't have a freaking 1/4-inch, man. I don't really want a 3/8 because my 1/4-inch can pull double duties, guys. Now, sure, I can take a adapter and put on here and make this a 1/4-inch, but I'd rather go from small to higher. You're going to get better quality going from a bigger to small. You're going to get better torque rather, but man, I wanted a 3/8. I wanted a 1/4-inch, guys. This is a 3/8. They don't even look like they have. See, Home Depot have a 1/4. Now, whether they got it in stock or not, I don't know. Well, there goes that idea. Look at all the options and the choices. Wow. Imagine how strong that is. Is that a 1/2-inch head? Yes, guys, y'all see that? And a stubby. Okay, whoa, look at the price. So they're making the electric stubbies even expensive. This is not gonna cut it. I need a 3/8. I have batteries, I have charger. Mine's, now you can't replace the head. Let me show y'all something. I have one at home, the head broke, but I have ordered me a new head. This right here. I have ordered me a new head, so when they get here, we're gonna go through the procedure of putting that on. Yeah, here go all your battery options. God, I really wanted that, that 1/4-inch head, man. Got to be more careful. What other options do they have? Okay, let's see. No, this is not Milwaukee. Oh, now DeWalt, my electric. God, it done went up. My drill, not even a drill, it's an impact. I don't think I paid this much for it. Good Lord, and 20-volt max and 1/4-inch. Yeah, I'm gonna have to break down and get one of those. Guys, my bag with my tools, my side job bag, straight up missing. Okay, now I get to work Monday. I'm tearing down every car that I done been in for the past 3 days looking for my bag. Cause yeah, keep in mind my side job bag, I call it a side job bag. It has some of my current shop tools in it. Because every time you go do a side job, you're never gonna have everything you need, but my bag is gone. I done checked every car that I worked on. Can't Can't find it. I'm almost thinking, want to believe Friday. I remember Friday my Journey was stolen. My bag was in that car because I did have some work to do. And I asked my daughter, she don't remember. But that's likely the only place, the only option I have left. Because every car, I wouldn't put it in customer cars. I don't think I left it in a customer car. Every car that I driven, I went and researched my van, my other cars. I can't find it nowhere. So I want to believe the thieves got it that took my Journey. That's why I'm in here really trying to replace everything that was missing. And weird thing about it is I don't really know what was missing or what's missing, because I just grabbed tools out of my tray and throw them in my bag and let's go. So guys, oh man, almost T30s. I'm at a standstill. I have to break down, spend some money. But I'm so glad I got my Journey back. It's not gonna hurt that bad. It's gonna hurt because these impacts and that drill, I gotta get an impact. I had a DeWalt. And the reason I'm buying the same thing really actually is because my chargers are still at work. The chargers to the electric drills. And I had extra batteries. So it would be foolish of me to change brands at this point, because I still have accessories for those brands. You see what I'm saying? So I'm going to be out at least $400. I know today only. Today, because I have to get this stuff. I cannot function. I can't function without my drill. Y'all know how crazy it is to grab a air ratchet when you're so accustomed to. I have to look for air holes to use the air ratchet. So I don't know, man. Count your blessings. I got my car back, but didn't get my tools back. So go figures. All right. So, well, guys, I'm not gonna waste any more of your time. I wanted to take a look at this thing, but I have to break down and buy these damn. I went today. Today is Monday. So all of this happened Friday. I remember we was closed Saturday. So when I left Friday, I'm almost certain I grabbed my side job bag, because you never know what you need to do at home. Put it in the car, it bounced around from car to car, and come get up Monday morning. I didn't do much mechanic work at all. Remember, guys, I was gonna clean out my garage, and then I ended up going to the car show. When I got back from the car show, I sat in front of the computer and edited some more videos, and that's it. So I didn't work on cars at all, so I didn't have a need for my tools. But I sure couldn't use them right now. Sometimes, man, I just want to cry, man. Just little thugs that rob you. You work hard for your stuff. And this is stuff that I need to make money. So go figure. That is a double insult. The ultimate insult. You affecting my livelihood at this point. Oh, man. All right, guys. I just found one. I'm still in Northern, so I'm going to end up getting this for $129. And it's going to come with a battery. The battery is $49. So I'm going to get the battery free. All right, according to this flyer over here, he's trying to verify it now to make sure that is the only way. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. While I'm here, no sense. I'm still going to Home Depot and look at something, but for now, the only reason I'm getting it, like I say, I'm staying with Milwaukee, is because I have a charger already. So I was just about to leave, and then I saw this. But one of these, get this free. So I want that, and I'm gonna get that free. Yes. Some told me to look again before I left out. So that's what it is, baby. All right, so let's get this squared away, guys. And then we're gonna hightail it over to Home Depot and Lowe's. We'll go to both of them. Okay. All right, he's going to find the key so we can get this straightened out. Let's get it.
Take it off. Do you need back for this one?
Yes.
Can you just sign for me?
So is there a type of warranty on that thing?
You want to go get me some electrical tape? I'll be right back.
Oh, it's through Milwaukee, not y'all?
Yeah, it's the one. There you go. You have a good one.
Thanks. Thanks for your help. All right, guys. Yeah. I don't know how you guys doing it without such a tool. Man, I'm so spoiled. If I don't have an electric drill, I'm getting to the point where now I can't stand an air hose. I can't even stand air tools. So let me hop in this van and we're gonna hightail it over to Home Depot, y'all. And I got a nice little deal on this, only because the battery was included. So, all right, let's get it, man.